Have you ever felt like intimacy is something you should do instead of something you actually feel? It's a quiet shift, but once it happens, you notice it. What once felt natural now feels planned, expected, almost like a responsibility. And honestly, that can be confusing because the care is still there, the relationship is still there, but the feeling is different. A lot of people go through this, but don't really talk about it because it's hard to explain. You're not unhappy, you're not disconnected completely, but something feels off, and you don't know exactly why. According to research published in the Journal of Sex Research, desire tends to decrease when intimacy becomes associated with expectation instead of emotional connection. Many therapists say, when something starts to feel like an obligation, the brain reacts differently. Instead of opening, it begins to resist, quietly, without you even realizing it. Imagine this. You're with your partner, and everything is calm. No conflict, no pressure from outside. But inside, you feel a small hesitation. Not strong enough to explain, but strong enough to notice. Instead of feeling present, you're thinking, let's just get through this. And that thought alone changes the entire experience. Many experts explain desire as something that grows from freedom, not pressure, not expectation. When you feel relaxed, emotionally connected, and mentally present, your mind opens naturally. And when your mind opens, your body follows. But when something feels expected, or like something you have to do, the brain creates resistance, because desire and pressure don't work together. Here's the part most people don't realize. It's not that desire is gone, it's that it's being replaced by expectation. And expectation slowly turns something natural into something that feels like a task. So instead of trying to fix the moment, start by removing the pressure around it. Take a step back, give yourself space, and change the way you approach connection. Start small. Spend time together without any goal. No expectations, no outcome in mind. Just presence. And here's something most people don't try. Create moments of closeness that are not leading anywhere. Sit together, talk, laugh, or even sit in silence without feeling like it has to become something else. Because when there's no pressure, your mind starts to relax again. And when your mind relaxes, that natural feeling slowly begins to return. Not forced, not planned, just natural. Real desire doesn't come from trying harder. It doesn't grow from obligation. It grows in comfort, in freedom, in moments where you feel completely present without expectation. And once you understand this, you stop asking, why doesn't it feel the same? Because you begin to see it was never about losing desire. It was about losing the space where desire could exist. And the moment you bring that space back, everything begins to shift again. Slowly, naturally, in a way that finally feels real.